Let's get Philips SpeechLive set up on your mobile device. If you don't have the application already, go into the App Store and search for Philips Voice Recorder, then click Install. Once the download is finished, click Open. Allow. The first time you go into the application, this welcome screen is going to pop up, and there are several things you can go through to learn how to use this application. We're going to go into Settings, click Sending Options, and now SpeechLive. Enter in your user credentials, and click Login. If you're using your own transcriptionist, you don't need to do anything further. If you want to use Philips SpeechLive transcription service, check this box here. And that's it. SpeechLive is set up and ready to be used. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Kiana Dunn with Data Trends Technology. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. And if you want to learn more about us, visit our website at www.datatrends.net.